going to discuss some of the Amazon aptitude questions. So let's begin. First question. A function f of x is defined as f of x equals to f of x minus 2 minus x into x plus 2 for all the integer values of x and f of 1 plus f of 4 equals to 0. What is the value of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus and so on up to f of 6? So they have given these two conditions, f of x equals to f of x minus 2 minus x into x plus 2 and f of 1 plus f of 4 equals to 0. So let's begin the solution. So let us take x equals to 3. Then the function will become f of 3 is equals to f of 1 minus 3 into 5, which is 15. So we can write this equation as f of 1 minus f of 3 is equals to 15. So now let us take x equals to 4. Now f of 4 equals to f of 2 minus 4 into 6, which is 24. So we can write this equation as 24 equals to f of 2 minus f of 4. So let's assume that it is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now let us solve equation 1 with the given equation, that is f of 1 plus f of 4 equals to 0. So let us write that f of 1 plus f of 4 equals to 0 and f of 1 minus f of 3 is equals to 15. So if we solve this, we will get as f of 3 plus f of 4 is equals to minus 15. So we have to subtract both these equations, then we will get this equation. And let us solve with equation 2 and with the given equation. So f of 1 plus f of 4 is equals to 0 and f of 2 minus f of 4 is equals to 24. So if we add both of these equations, we will get f of 1 plus f of 2 is equals to 24. So we have got f of 1 plus f of 2 and f of 3 plus f of 4. So we need f of 5 plus f of 6. So let's take x equals to 5. Then the equation will become as f of 5 is equals to f of 3 minus what they have given, x into x plus 2. So 5 into 7, it is 35. So now let us take x equals to 6. So f of 6 will become as f of 4 minus 6 into 6 plus 2, 6 into 8, 6 8 is 48. So we can write this equation as f of 3 minus f of 5 is equals to 35 and f of 4 minus f of 6 equals to 48. So let's add these equations. So f of 3 minus f of 5 is equals to 35 and f of 4 minus f of 6 equals to 48. So if we add these equations, we will get as f of 3 plus f of 4 minus f of 5 minus f of 6 equals to 35 plus 48. So we already know the value of f of 3 plus f of 4. That is minus 15. F of 3 plus f of 4 is minus 15. So we can substitute here. So minus 15, and we will bring this 35 plus 48 to left side. Minus 35 minus 48 equals to f of 5 plus f of 6. So now we have got all the values, f of 1 plus f of 2, f of 3 plus f of 4, and f of 5 plus f of 6. So we can easily add them. So the value will become, if we add these values, we will get the final answer. Equals to, after adding we will get minus 89 as the answer. So the option is third option, minus 89. So let's see the second question. In triangle ABC, the internal bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB met at I. It is I01, and angle BAC equals to 50. The measure of angle BIC will be. So this will be the diagram for the given question. It is I not B. So I is the incenter of the triangle. So BIC will be, angle BIC we want 90 degrees plus BAC by 2. So they have given BAC as 50. So 90 plus 50 by 2, which is 25. That is equals to 115. So our answer will be 115. This is the option. Now let's see the third question. The difference between 3 by 5 of 2 by 3 and of a number and 2 by 5 of 1 by 4 of the same number is 288. So what is that number? So 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. Let's take the number as x minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 4 into x equals to 288. So if we multiply these two, we will get as 2 by 5. 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. So 2 by 5 into x minus. So if we multiply these two, we will get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into x is equals to 288. So if we take the LCM of both of these fractions, we will get the LCM as 10. So the result will be 3 into x by 10 is equals to 288. If we solve this, we will get 3 into x equal to 2880. So x will be 960. So the required number is 960. So let's see the next question. A, B, C, D are 4 consecutive odd numbers and their average is 42. So they have given 4 odd numbers. Let's take the numbers as 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3 and 2n plus 5 and 2n plus 7. So their average is 42. And we have to find the product of B and D, which is 2n plus 3 into 2n plus 7. So let's calculate it average, and we have to find the value of n. Then ultimately we can do the product of B and D. So let's add these numbers to calculate the average. So we are calculating average. So we have to divide this number with 4. So that is equals to 42, which we have given. So let's take this 42 into right side. We will get as 168. And the sum of all these numbers is 8n plus 16 equals to 168. So 8n is equals to 168 minus 16, which is 152. So 8n is equals to 19. So we need to find the product of 2n plus 3 into 2n plus 7. So 2n plus 3 is equals to 2 into 19 plus 3, which is 41. And 2n plus 7 means 2 into 19 plus 7, which is 45. So 41 into 45 means 41 into 45 is equals to 1845. So the answer will be 1845. Next question. BL and CM are medians of right angle triangle at A and BC equals to 5. If BL is equals to 3 into root 5 by 2 centimeters, then the length of CM is. So, if we draw the diagram according to the question, we will get this. And now let's make some equations. So, from the triangle ACM, we can write like this according to Pythagoras equation. CM square equals to AC square plus AM square. So, from triangle ACM, A, C and M. This is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras equation. So, CM square equals to AC square plus AM square. AC square plus AM square. So, since CM is the median, AM is equals to, we can write like this, AM equals to MB equals to half of AB. So, we can write as AM equals to MB equals to half of AB. So, the equation will become as CM square equals to AC square plus AM square means we can write AM as half of AB. So, half of AB whole square, which becomes 1 by 4 into AB square. So, 1 by 4 into AB square. Now, from the triangle ALB, we can write like this according to Pythagoras equation. LB square equals to AL square plus AB square. Here BL is the median. So AL equals to LC equals to half of AC. So we can substitute the value of AL in terms of AC. So we can rewrite the equation as LB square equals to AL square means 1 by 2 AC whole square. It will become as 1 by 4 into AC whole square. AC square plus AB square. So let us add the equation 1 and 2. Here equation 1 means this one. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let's add this. So we will get CM square plus LB square is equals to AC square plus 1 by 4 of AB square plus 1 by 4 into AC square plus AB square. Let me extend it. So we can write this as 1 by 4 into AB square plus AC square plus AC square plus AB square. I am rewriting the formula same equation. AB square. So this can be written as, if we look at the triangle ABC, we can see that AB square, this is AB square, plus AC square will become BC square according to Pythagoras. So 1 by 4 into BC square plus this one also same, AC square plus AB square, which will become BC square. So the final equation we got is CM square plus LB square is equals to pi by 4 into BC square. So let me write this one also. CM square plus LB square is equals to 5 by 4 into BC square. So they have given us all the values and we need to find the value of CM. Okay. So CM square plus what is the value of LB? It is 3 into root 5 by 2. So if we do it whole square, we will get as 9 into 5 by 4. So 9 5s are 45 by 4 is equals to 5 by 4 into the value of BC is 5 whole square. It means 25. So if we calculate the CM square, we will get as CM square is equals to 80 by 4 which is 20. So CM is equals to square root of 20. It means we can write the square root of 20 as square root of 5 into 4. So let 4 come outside. So we will get 2 into root 5. 2 into root of 5. So it will be the answer. So 2 root 5 is the answer. So let's see next question. A sum of rupees 731 is divided among the A, B, C such that A receive 25% more than B and B receive 25% less than C. So what is the share value of C? So 731 is divided among A, B, C. So A plus B plus C equals to 731. This is our first equation. And A receive 25% more than B. So A is equals to B plus 25 by 100 into B. And second equation is B is equals to receive 25% less than C. So it means C minus C into 25 by 100. So we want the value of C. So the value of A here is 125 by 100 into B. And the value here is 100 minus 25, that is 75 by 100 into C. So let's keep the value of B as C. So the equation changes into 125 by 100 into what is the value of B? It is 75 by 100 into C. So the value we get here is, so now we can keep all these values into the first equation. So the value of A is 125 by 100 into 75 by 100 plus, and value of B is 75 by 100 into C. So 75 by 100 plus C, we will take common as C. So into C is equals to 731. So if we calculate the value here, C is equals to, we will get 731, 2 zeros divided by 26,875. So C will become as 272. So it is the final answer. So the C share will be 272 rupees. So as there is no option, we have to keep none of these. Next question. In how many different ways can letters of the word praise can be arranged? So here all are distinct letters and there are 7 letters. 6 letters. So we can arrange in 6 factorial ways, which is nothing but 720 ways. So the answer will be 720. And let's see the next question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 150% and the denominator of the fraction is increased by 300%, the resultant fraction is 5 by 18. So what is the original fraction? So let the original fraction be x by y. Now what they have did? They have increased the numerator by 150%. So x plus x into 150 by 100 divided by. So this is divided by. Next they have increased denominator by 300%. So y plus 300 by 100 into y. It means 300 by 100 into y. So this total value is 5 by 18. They have given 5 by 18. So the numerator and denominator after solving will become 250x by 400 by. So which is equals to 5 by 18. So after solving this we will get x by y is equals to 4 by 9. So the original fraction is 4 by 9. So the answer is 4 by 9. So next question. A car covers the first 30 kilometers of its journey in 45 minutes and the remaining 25 kilometers in 30 minutes. What is the average speed of the car? So if we draw the diagram, it will look like this. So in first 45 minutes he covers 30 kilometers and next 30 minutes he covers 25 kilometers. And he wants us the average speed of the car. So let's do it. So we know the formula, speed is equals to distance by time. So the total distance is 30 plus 25, which is 55, divided by, and time is split. In here they have given in minutes, but we need to convert in hours because they have asked in kilometer per hour. So 45 minutes means 3 by 4 hours plus 30 minutes means 1 by 2 hours. So if we solve this, we will get as 55 into 4 divided by 5, which is 11 into 4, it is 44. So 44 kilometers per hour. So there is no option. So we have to keep none of this. Next, 4 examiners can examine a certain number of answer papers in 10 days by working for 5 hours a day. For how many hours a day would 2 examiners have to work in order to examine twice the number of answer papers in 20 days? So let's look this briefly. So in brief they have given like this. So first X papers, it takes 10 days and per day 5 hours they will work. So total number of examiners work is 4. And next we have to find for 2 X papers in 20 days. So this work will be done by only 2 examiners and how many hours per day they have to work. So let's see. So 4 examiners take total 50 hours. 10 days into 5 hours per day. So total they will take 50 hours for X papers. So one examiner take 50 into 4 hours. So that is 200 hours for X papers. So we can write as 2 examiners will take 200 by 2, which is 100 hours for X papers. But we need twice the X, that is 2X. So for 2X papers 2 examiners will take 200 hours. So in total they will take 200 hours. But they given in 20 days they have to work for 200 hours. So what will be the time they have to work per day? So we can do as 200 by 20, which is 10 hours per day. So they have to work 10 hours per day. So our answer will be 10.